From Britain's leading grassland machinery manufacturer comes the Kidd Clipper 240 mower conditioner. This award-winning machine is now helping farmers throughout Britain to make better silage and hay. Using the highly successful brush conditioning system developed jointly by Kidd and the National Institute of Agriculture Engineering, the Clipper 240 is a high-performance machine capable of producing the very best swath. The two cutting drums are synchronized, with blades overlapping to give a clean, even cut. The free rotating saucers are profiled to glide over the ground surface. Each drum has 5 swinging reversible blades. Drive is taken from the slip clutch protected PTO, which incorporates a constant velocity joint, enabling tight turning under power via a right-angle gearbox, across the main support beam, down through bevel gears to primary drive pulleys. Final drive is then transmitted to each drum by these high-quality round-tooth timing belts, which absorb start-up torque and shock loadings during operation. The inbuilt strength of the system is matched by ease of servicing. In the transport position, the Clipper 240 follows neatly behind the tractor. A simple pull of a lever swings the unit round into its working position. Even behind medium-sized tractors, the Clipper 240 is capable of high-speed operation. And just look at that clean, fluffy swath that's left behind by the brush conditioning system. This is the heart of the Clipper 240, the brush conditioning unit. Comprising of twin intermeshing, co-rotating nylon brushes positioned behind the cutting drums. The brushes gently scratch the crop leaf and stems, removing much of the wax but without damage or bruising, producing a light, fluffy swath with the majority of stalks uppermost. The individual brush elements are of strong, long-life nylon. Their use ensures there is no danger of broken metal tines to damage following machinery. Developed jointly with the NIAE, the brush system is a proven success. In fact, the NIAE Silso test results show that where a nylon brush conditioner is used, drying time is 55% less than when no conditioner is employed. Even when compared with a steel tine conditioner, the brush system produces a 22% faster drying time. Results which have been matched time and time again by farmers in the field using Kidd Clipper 240s. This short drying time means that forage harvesters can quickly complete the silage making operation. The light, well-made swath left by the mower presents no problem for the harvester. The Clipper 240 with a full 2.4 metre cutting width is the ideal machine for dairy farmers looking for high volume, quality silage and hay. As the clipper drums rise to meet the undulating ground, they apply upward pressure to the compensator and hydraulic motor, which in turn applies downward pressure to the trailed axles. The lower section of this specially designed hydraulic cylinder receives oil from the clipper's own integral reservoir and pump. Simple finger control of the hydraulic pressure valve ensures optimum performance in all conditions. The entirely separate upper section of the cylinder is connected to the tractor's external hydraulic supply and simply lifts the machine in and out of work. This graphical illustration clearly shows the benefits incorporated within the specially developed Clipper 240 flotation system. You can see how the hydraulic suspension ensures that the drums follow ground contours closely, minimizing scalping and skid wear. Here there's visual evidence of that effortless suspension system. Whilst the tractor is rocking to and fro over bumpy ground, the clipper is gently floating, ensuring even cut with no scalping. As the clipper passes, not only can you see the effects of the flotation system, but also the good flow of crop from the back of the machine after it has been conditioned. The swath gates at the rear are fully adjustable to allow full control of the swath density relative to crop conditions. The Clipper 240 is a superb piece of British engineering, designed and manufactured by the company whose expertise has already won it the Sir Roland Burke Trophy for outstanding contribution to the mechanisation of agriculture, and have more recently been awarded the RASE Silver Medal. Used as a mower or mower conditioner, the Clipper 240 is designed to give seasons of trouble-free operation. Ask those farmers who operate clippers, and they will tell you that there's nothing to match it.